RoofPax here, and thanks for your interest in our products. Our family-owned business is made up of avid travelers and weekend warriors, so we're dedicated to building equipment for all things travel.
Introducing the RoofPax medium-duty 1-inch ratchet strap tie-down kit. These straps were meticulously designed to perfectly anchor cargo to give you the ultimate peace of mind while traveling. Whether it's a motorcycle or a dresser, these tie-down kits will always have your back. Coming in at 1 inch wide and 15 feet long, the industrial-grade polyester fiber can handle a massive 1,800 pounds of load, keeping you ready and safe for your next adventure. We've anodized the ratchets, coated the hooks, and included a storage bag to ensure longevity with use. Quick and easy installation with the reliability for any load means the perfect product for any distance travel to keep you safe and focused on your journey. Don't take any chances when it comes to safety.
RoofPax. Travel more, worry less.